Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to show tabs on Motorola G06 Power. But before I hope you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here you just have to activate the developer options first if you want to show the tabs of your phone. Here to activate it, you just have to go to the settings. And now in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down until we'll find here the about phone options. Tap on it. Now scroll it down again a little bit. We'll see the device identifier. Click on it. Now when we see the build number, you just have to tap on it 7 times to activate the developer options. Here I'm gonna tap on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we'll see here the developer option is already activated guys for the informations. To check it, you just have to go back to the settings page. Now open this system options. And after here we'll see the developer options. To show the tabs, you just have to open it first. Now in this page you just have to scroll it down until we'll find the show tabs options. Like this. If you want to activate, you just have to tap on the button beside it. And as you can see, if I tap on my phone, there show a tabs here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough for me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.